Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is VEL Dogg, and you're cooking with me in my kitchen. And also, I like to add, I got my channel suspended the last time around. I had a little complication with another channel. I'm not going to get into that right now. That's why I started this channel, VEL Dogg's Kitchen. Stay tuned in for more videos. Alright, today on the chopping block, we're going to have hot wings coming your way. Sorry about the lighting. Here's the not the hot wing, but here's the chicken right here. We're going to be using this. Here's some seasoning right here. 2 cups of flour. This is starch. I took a 1/4 cup of that and added that in the bag also with these 2 cups of flour. And also I have some seasoning salt right here. That's like a tablespoon. I got a tablespoon of granulated onion powders right here. I have a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I have a tablespoon of granulated garlic. So guys, we're going to go ahead and incorporate this in our flour and starch bag right here. Just going to add that in there. Okay, I just shook up the flour, the seasoning in the bag. We're going to try to put these in there. These chicken wings. These party wings, I already got them already cut up. Yeah, I got majority of them in this bag. So I'm going to shake these up in there. Reason why we put them in there like that, so they won't stick together. We want all these chicken wings to be coated evenly. Okay, I'm done shaking that chicken up. I'm going to just let it sit there and rest. I'm going to go ahead and get this deep fryer set up on 350. Keep in mind you want this to get up to about 350. So if you have a temperature thing, you just put it in there and let it read to like 350. I got mine on 350, so you can do that. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute. We're gonna go ahead and drop these in this grease. Woo, Jesus! Look at that. I try to put mine on a plate like this, so a whole bunch of flour won't get in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this going, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna start working on this sauce. You want this probably about medium low, something like that, because you don't want to burn that sauce. We'll take our stick of butter, put it in that pan, that away. So that's what we do. We're going to let this melt down. As you can see, it's starting melting now. We're going to take our whisk right here, just help it out a little bit. So at this point right here, you can actually start adding the sauce. This is a cup of Frank's hot sauce. I'm going to put that in there. So you want to melt this down slowly, because you want this thick. If you melt it too fast, it'll be thin. Once this melts down, I'm going to take some honey and put some honey in there. Then I'm going to squeeze a couple of lemons up in there. I know they look like a lime, but I did this intentionally because it's more bitter when you let them dry out. Then I have some lemon pepper I'm going to sprinkle on top of it. Now let's go check on our chicken. How gorgeous that chicken looks. We're going to continue with this sauce, and I'll be right back. So the starch really did help it, because it's crunchier. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on this garnish. Let's get it. Alright, I'm going to take this chicken, Put this chicken in the bowl. Keep in mind, you do not over season your bread. Because when you do that, the hot sauce already has its own seasoning. Then your food will taste salty. Salty, real salty. You guys hearing this? This does sound real crispy. I'm loving that. I'm gonna have to keep using the starch. Okay, we're gonna come back to our sauce. It's incorporated pretty good. We're gonna take our honey, put our honey in there. Stir that up in there. Take this lemon, put it in the squeezer. Ah, I bet you guys thought I was gonna do that, didn't you? Nope, I'm going right over here to the chicken. I'm gonna put it over here on that chicken. Squeeze a little lemon in there. Since I was touching that, I'm going to sample that one. You want a bite? Woo! Take our hot sauce. Rinse that bad boy. I'll give it a couple of toss with the lid on. I'm going to take some of this lemon pepper, put some of that. We're going to let that sit for a second and I'll be right back. Go ahead and plate these things up. So guys, I'm back. This is my interpretation of lemon pepper hot wings. So you guys enjoy this and stay tuned in for more videos to come. So once again, please like, please share, please subscribe, and click on the bell for notification. And like always, thank you for watching VEL's Kitchen, where we make restaurant quality food from my home to yours. Let's get cooking.